Hello my dear children, we are going to start our unit 2, so second unit, but before starting the chapters, let us note down the syllabus. English language, chapter 16 articles, chapter 19 tenses, chapter 23 the preposition, and grammar from all the chapters of the reader book, that is your English 2. English literature, chapter 5 the magic pot, word meaning exercise A, B, D, E, F, workbook exercise A and B. Chapter 7 a scribe stream, word meaning exercise A, B, D, E, F, workbook exercise A, B, C. So children, first we will start with chapter 16 of your language articles. Dear children, the words the, a or an are called articles. Now we have two types of articles, definite article and indefinite articles. The word the point out some particular person or thing. Therefore, it is called definite article. Why it is called definite article? Because it points out some particular person or thing. For example, the sun, the Himalayas. Indefinite articles, the word a or an leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of. For example, he wants to consult the doctor. The doctor means some particular doctor. Now see this sentence, he wants to consult a doctor. A doctor means any doctor. Therefore, it is called indefinite article. Now use of indefinite article a or an. We use indefinite article a before those words that begin with a consonant sound. For example, a shirt, a pen, a lion, a boy, a bottle, a computer, a woman, a table, a bat, a tree. We use indefinite article an before those words that begin with a vowel sound or a silent H. For example, an apple is an vowel. So an apple, an eagle, an ink pot, an orange, an umbrella. When saying abbreviations, we use a or an according to how the first letter is said. An FM radio. Here, F is a consonant but begins with the vowel sound E. We use a or an only before singular countable nouns. A desk, a citizen. A desk is wrong, a citizen is wrong. We also use the indefinite article in the sense of one. For example, wait a minute means wait 1 minute. He spoke for an hour. He spoke for 1 hour. Use of definite article the. The is used with the nouns denoting definite or particular people or things. They have won the match. With the superlative degree of an adjective, the best, the tallest. With the names of rivers, gulfs, oceans and seas, the Amazon, the Black Sea, the Yamuna, the Persian Gulf. With the names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes. With the names of historical monuments, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. With the names of certain books, the Bible, the Ramayana. With names of things unique of their kind, the universe, the sun. Always remember, indefinite article a or an is used when something is mentioned for the first time. We use definite article the if it is mentioned again. Now omission of the article means when no article is used. Before most proper noun, names of people, cities, countries and continents. For example, William Blake was a great poet, New Delhi, Nepal, Asia. Now before languages. English is an international language. Hindi is the third largest spoken language in the world. Before names of substances, Diamond is a precious stone. Gold is used to make jewelry. Before abstract nouns, for example, compassion is a great human virtue. Honesty is the best policy. Before names of relations, mother, sister. Before names of meals. What time do you have dinner? Breakfast is ready. So, dear children, let us do the exercises. Put a or an in the following blanks: a bottle, an hour, a house, an ox, a bat, an eagle, a stick, a matchbox, a flask, a dog, an elephant, a dictionary, a one man show, a tomato, a shirt, an orange, an MP, a mobile, an umbrella, a computer. Now fill in the blanks with a or an or the. She is a young girl. Hindi is an easy language. Iron is an useful matter. She is an honest to the profession. She is an honor to the profession. She is an untidy woman. She only replies with a smile. They arrived after an hour. Agra is a historical city. The Taj Mahal is a World Heritage Monument. The earth revolves around the sun. Now, playtime with article. Look at the following pictures and write the correct article for them in the given space. Put a cross if no article is required. A table, an ant, an owl, the Taj Mahal, an aeroplane, an ice cream, a uniform, a book. No article is used here. No article is used here. The, a, an, a, an, the, an. With this, children, we have completed the chapter. Revise the chapter and study well. May God bless you all. Thank you.